pidi lang yo que alarga pa más el vida de amo. La cuida buenamente, el salud. Con Dios tenemos esperanza.
Cuando tasayo cubra un doctor yo, pasajero al encuentro con él de amulia, porque modo como queda.
Ikaw at ako, pinagtagpo, nag-usap ang ating puso, nagkasundong magsama habang buhay. Nagsumpa.
Our brother Ildefonso, do you reaffirm your married love and fidelity to our sister, your wife Erlinda, before God and this community?
I do.
Ay, suena pa! Palakpakan!
Sana'y di magmaliw ang pagtingin, kay daling sabihin, kay hirap gawin.
Our sister Erlinda, do you reaffirm your married love and fidelity to your husband, our brother Ildefonso, before God and this community?
I do.
Bukas.
Still 18 years old.
Ikaw at ako, pinag-isa, tayong dalawa, may kanya-kanya sa isa't isa. Tayo ay sumasandal. Bawat hangad kayang abutin, sa pangambay di paaalipin. Basta't ikaw, ako, tayo, magpakailanman. Kung minsan ay di ko nababanggit, pag-ibig ko'y di masukat ng anumang lambing. At kung
Jesus said to his disciples, as the Father has loved me, so I have loved you. Remain in my love. If you keep my commandments, you will remain in my love, just as I have kept my Father's commandments and remain in his love. I have told you this so that my own joy may be in you and your joy be complete. This is my commandment: love one another as I have loved you.
Di ko alam ang gagawin kung mawala ka. Buhay ko'y may kahulugan tuwing ako'y iyong hagkan. Umabot man sa ating huling hantungan, kapit puso kitang hahayaan.
You may now kiss the bride.
Ngayon at kailanman, ikaw at ako.